Hey everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter C. So let me start by writing my name at the top. My first name is Jeremy. Okay, the letter C, lowercase letter, is a plain line round letter. It starts here at the plain line, and then it goes backwards like this, curves down to the grass line. It's like it's flying backwards and it comes for a landing. So let's go and try to trace these lowercase c's. Start at the plain line, curve around backwards to the grass line. Plain line, around backwards to the grass line. Plain line, around backwards to the grass line. Plain line, curve around backwards, fly down to the grass line. Plain line, curve around backwards, flying down to the grass line. Let me switch to blue as I do the last ones down here. Okay? It's kind of tricky, but we can do it. Start at the plain line, curve backwards, fly down to the grass line. Let's see if I accidentally do it. Start at the skyline and it goes like this, flying backwards down to the grass line. Ooh, something is silly about that. I think the problem is that it is too big. So let me erase that and try it again. Start at the plain line, curve around backwards to the grass line. Plain line, backwards to grass line. Plain line, fly back, curve down to the grass line. One more. Plain line, curve back, down to the grass line. That is how you can practice the lowercase c. Keep practicing.